Say hello to Tommy. Tommy is a male 1.5-year-old Labrador Retriever mix who weighs 65 pounds. He is currently being fostered by the Partnership for Animal Welfare, or PAW. PAW is a 501c3 nonprofit group of volunteers that facilitates the rescue and adoption of homeless dogs and cats. Last weekend, Tommy was chosen to be a Diamond Dog for the Bowie Bay Sox, a minor league baseball team that regularly plays at Prince George's Stadium in Bowie, Maryland. Don't let Tommy's size fool you. He's a big goofy boy who thinks he is still a lapdog. He has a big head and a big smile, and he loves everyone he meets. Just look at his big sweet face. Tommy has a lot of energy and walks well on a leash, but he does get excited when he sees other dogs with whom he wants to play. Wouldn't you like to help this sweet guy find a lifetime of love in a forever home? To learn more about Tommy and other adoptable pets, please visit PAW on the sites listed here.